Jake here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm excited to talk to you today about this Jayco Rocky Mountain Edition, a 278 BHS. That's a bunkhouse with a slide. It's a big one. It's a lot of room for your family and friends and your kids to bring along some friends as well. Just walk around the front. You have two 7-gallon propane tanks. They're connected and they work in conjunction. So if one of them goes dry in the middle of the night while you're running your heater, it'll automatically switch over to the one that isn't and still keep you warm, and you don't have to switch anything out manually by yourself. You have your nice pebble plate off the front here, and then right around the corner you have your big pass-through storage. A lot of room in there to take a lot of bins and totes and a lot of gear that could fit straight through there. It's a true pass-through, so you have access to it from both sides, and the door is as big on both sides as well. And if you look here, your awning is huge. It's a 28-foot floor plan, and you have your awning covering most of the distance to the side. There's two entrances on this trailer too. One of them goes directly into the bathroom, so nobody has to kind of trek through your rig if their feet are dirty. They just want access to the bathroom, boom, pop in, pop out. Makes it really easy for camping, if you're at the beach or anything, if anybody just needs to not disturb somebody while they're kind of sleeping and whatnot. That's really nice. You have your TV mount outside, plus your TV antenna and your cable hookups too. So really, you can make some friends or enemies at the campsite by blaring your stuff out there and making sure everyone has a view of the game. Come on inside and let's look around. Right off the entrance, some smart design choices here from Jayco. You have your hooks, your coat hooks right off the entrance, plus you have a boot box. Super smart. So you can sit, take off your boots, and just put them right away so they're not going to be cluttering anything up. You don't have to think about where they're going to go. In addition to that really smart choice right off the entrance too, you have some place to actually put a lot of, so if you want to have a garbage in here as well, you can just take that out. It's not going to kind of clutter up the space in between. So you have nice solid surface countertops here with the 2019 Jaycos, and nice hardware for your sink. A double basin sink allows you to save a little bit of water if you're going to be dry camping or out for a little bit longer of a time too. Nice counter space and lots of storage up top and beside and all around. So you have a 3-burner stove and a big oven here. And then you have your microwave right above that, which is really nice. Your AC up top, that's going to keep this entire place cool. Really doesn't take that much energy, and boom, these places stay really nice. Your big fridge on this guy too, a really deep freezer and a lot of space for food. I mean, this trailer is meant to bring a lot of people along, and you're going to feed them, so there's a lot of room to do so. You have your pantry on this side too, so really deep, goes all the way back. These are actually solid shelves in there too, and beside that you actually have more space. You can use this as a pantry, or you can actually have anybody who's actually sleeping back here use this as their own closet too. This is an addition to what's in the front of the trailer. And beyond that, you have a lot of storage for any kind of clothes you need to fold up, or any kind of gear that kind of tucks away really nicely. And off the rear, like I said, you have your bathroom. And this bathroom has access straight to the outside. It makes it really easy coming and going out of here. Really big shower actually in here, and a lot of head height you have in here too. So if you're taller, you can definitely make use of this shower. A lot of times in bunkhouse trailers there's a tub which raises a little bit and it cuts down a little bit of head height, and this does not have that issue. Really nice here. You have two double beds. You have a double bed over a double bed. Everybody has a window and everybody has a light too. Each level has their own little pip light, which they get to control. And there's a ladder that tucks away here. That's really nice. It allows you to get up top. And there's not one single curtain, so that the kids or whoever's going to be sleeping up there aren't kind of arguing about who gets to control the curtain. Each level has its own curtain too, which I think is pretty smart. In addition to that, you have your U-shaped dinette. U-shaped dinettes are always going to seat more people and also offer you the ability to, if you were bringing chairs in here, to sit more people even on the outside. And when they convert into beds, they're always going to be bigger beds than a booth dinette. Really nice feature there. And right here, you have not only do you have the double bed over double bed, if this was going to convert into a bed, but this is actually a Trifold sleeper couch. Super smart. So there's a ton of sleeping in this couch, a ton of space to accommodate a lot of people. If you were to step into the bedroom and have a peek at the master, you have a big queen here, and there's a nice shelving on either side for anything you need to rest there, plus plugins too. And plus, not only that, but you have kind of your up top shelving here to store anything that you want to keep at hand. Plus, on either side, you have your hanging too. And what's great about this as well is that this entire bed comes up, and so whatever you put in that pass-through, you can access from here, and whatever you actually put in the in here, you have access to the pass-through. And it's a really nice pneumatic assist. You don't have to fight it that hard. It really helps you out, and it's a really smooth motion in both directions. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we carry on lot, stop on by in Junction City and say hello.